Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today we again will have to take a look at the Canadian dollar because currently it's really difficult to find something really new on the forex market among the major currencies because setup's mostly stable and euro currency stands for the second or even third week in a row in a wide range of the drop after the Greece default to the payment to the IMF, and still can't choose the direction since the negotiations between the Greece and Germany and France still continue. On the cable we have spoken yesterday, so nothing drastic has happened there. We just will continue to watch for what will happen around the major level. On the Great British Pound, whether it will be able to hold above it or not. If it will hold above this support that we have discussed yesterday, then we could expect some upward action. If it will drop lower, then this probably will shift the medium-term trend to the bearish side. That's why we probably today will take a look again at the Canadian dollar, because among other currencies I have taken a look at the New Zealand dollar and on the Aussie, so it's nothing really interesting. That's why let's create the update on the Canadian. On the Canadian, at least we have the playing set up on the high time frame charts, and we see the final direction, we see the patterns on the weekly and monthly chart, and we know approximately, we know what to expect and what the signs of the possible failure, because we have the trading plan that includes all time frames. In the short-term perspective, a couple of days ago we said that market probably, as it hasn't shown any retracement here at the resistance, because it has tested it for the second time already, it probably will continue directly to the target. So completion of these ABCD patterns 127.68, and only after that maybe market will show retracement. So that has happened. You can see the target has been hit, and now market is calling around it, because this is not just the target, this also, you can see, daily overbought. So some retracement down here is very probable. So it means that the scalp traders who trade on intraday charts could search chances and possibility for taking the scalp short position, while daily traders should watch for when the market will hit some support area, where you could think about the taking long position and the continuation further to the upside. I think, guys, that in the nearest future Canadian dollar hardly will continue move high. I mean today and tomorrow, mostly because the crude oil has hit the significant support area. So I will show you the chart of the daily crude oil futures. The difference between, taking into consideration that the difference between price, the futures shows the 52, but the Brent crude oil currently stands approximately at 57. So that's because this is the futures chart, not the spot market. Anyway, the shape of the market will be the same, the shape of the chart. So you can see that market has dropped significantly, and it has hit significant area. This is the major 618 support, is 5110. That is combined with the daily oversold. So this is some sort of the bullish stretch pattern. And by market mechanics, market just can't continue move down immediately. It needs to stay for some time here to exit, to leave this uncomfortable condition of the oversold. Maybe later it will continue move down, but right now it probably could turn to some upward retracement, or at least stands flat. That's why I think that Canadian dollar also hardly will continue move up immediately, and it has the better chances to show some retracement down. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that market also has completed minor ABCD pattern that we have discussed also as well. Take a look by this spike up yesterday. It has hit the 1618 extension, so you can see the pips to pips completion. It's very cool. So now it's forming something, some consolidation or something of that sort. Well, the most probable retracement target to the downside, we think that it could be this strong support area. This is the confidence support of 24.85, 25.30 area. That also includes the weekly pivot point and former top. So market could retest this top. That will be just the 3/8 support retracement of the most recent leg up. So that's minor, most close support area, and the minor retracement that market could show at all with the completion of the ABCD. Usually market shows even deeper retracement to the 618 of the last leg or to the 3/8 support of the whole action of the ABCD. That's the normal. But we think that market could show retracement right to this area because market just has passed through this strong trend line, and probably it will retest it from the upside, and we expect that to continue move high because this will be quite logical and very supportive for the bullish sentiment. So if market will return right back down deep below this trend line, that will be a bit warning sign, warning factor that makes traders on the Canadian dollar be nervous, since this is not quite welcome for bullish market. The perfect bullish retracement will be, as I said, if market just will retest this trend line. It could penetrate it slightly lower to touch this former top, but it should not move too deep to the downside. That's why we think that this area is very suitable for that purpose. So you can see this confidence support, and take a look. Weekly pivot point that has been tested, by the way. It hasn't been tested on the current week. Here, guys, concerning the taking the short position here, currently, guys, I did not see any significant pattern. So if you will plot here the 3x3, you will get some kind of the double repo sale or something of that sort. But personally, I do not like this thrust in general, and how the top of this double repo by the letter we see some kind of that. So you can see thrust close below the 3x3 with this small candle, close above, close below. So it has a bit not very perfect shape. But currently I do not see any other patterns here, guys. Maybe we will get something else a bit later. But existing of the ABCD, completed the ABCD and the minor 1618 ABCD by itself, there are patterns that could be used for the trading. But since our analysis mostly take the relation to the daily chart, when we mostly create the daily update, so that's mostly for the daily traders, and the daily traders just need to wait for the suitable level for taking the long position here, and we think that this probably will be the one of them. So that's been said, taking in consideration the crude oil prices that stands at the strong support, also taking in consideration the completion of the couple of ABCDs on the Canadian dollar, we expect that today and tomorrow market could turn to some retracement, or at least will stand flat. If it will turn to the retracement, the suitable area for taking the long position stands around the 4-hour time frame chart confidence support around the 25 area.